Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Food to Threads. It's Tuesday, this is my fourth vlog. I'm not quite sure what we're going to be doing this week. Your guess is as good as mine. Started a few whips. I've started at hexicardi. That's one side. On the other side, I'm making a top out of these granny squares. I need 4 granny squares to make this top. I've got 2 already done, and I've got another one on the hook. Quite late tonight. Been very busy at work for the past couple of days, so with work being so busy I've not had much crochet time, but today I'll try and finish this hexie if I can get. Okay, so I've not got much yarn left on this hexie. Just going to use this, and now I'm going to go around a few times with the grey like I've done on the other side. Okay, so guys, that's it for tonight. I've done more rows on the hexicardi. We don't like hexicardi, so I'll do another couple of rows tomorrow, hopefully. Excuse the noise, I've just fed the clown and they're very noisy. So hopefully if there's a seat on the bus I can do a few more rows on this square. I'll only have one more square to do, and tomorrow I'll be going to my mum's for lunch and then she'll class with mamastitchery. Not quite sure what we'll be doing then. I'm gonna have a surprise. That's all for now. See you in the morning. Good evening everyone. I'm at mamastitchery. We'll be starting crochet class soon. So I've got a couple of stitch combinations that we'll be doing, which look quite interesting. Okay guys, it's Thursday evening, it's about 9ish, it's getting quite late, not had much time for how to crochet this week, so it's a little bit sad, disappointing. What with work and other commitments. Yesterday, after work, I went to crochet class with mamastitchery. We did a few stitch combinations. So we did the block stitch. That's quite pretty. The Suzette stitch. So hopefully we can use these in the future. On the plus side, I got another square done in the bus. So I've got 3 done. So I've just got one more to do. And then I can make it into my top. I'd like to do a few more rows on this hexicardigan the rest of this evening. We need 3 more rows and then we'll be able to sew it together soon. I've got 2 sleeves to do, so we'll see how far I can get. So if you've got a project to do, and you'd like to crochet along with me while I tackle my cardi, that'd be great. Okay guys, I didn't get as much done this week as I was hoping to do, what with work commitments and life in general getting in the way of my crochet. It's normal. So on the plus side, I managed to get a few of the squares done to make the top, and I've made progress on the hexicardi. If you look out for the finished projects on Instagram in the following week, they'll be there. I think that's it for tonight. If you like what you saw, please thumbs up, please make a comment, subscribe to my channel and follow for more updates. Follow my other channels for more updates on my makes. I think that should be it for tonight. See you soon. Bye.